Unlock the raw, gritty aesthetic of classic street photography on your Canon EOS RP with this custom picture style. First, navigate to your camera's picture style menu. You'll want to select Create. Edit to build your own custom style. Choose New Picture Style to start from scratch, giving you complete control over every parameter. Now, let's dive into the settings for that classic street look. We're going to adjust these key parameters. Start with contrast. Push it up to this will give your blacks deeper blacks and your whites brighter whites, creating that punchy, high-impact feel. Next, let's tackle sharpness for a sharp, detailed street scene. Set sharpness to 1. This will bring out those textures and fine details without looking overly artificial. Now for color tone. To achieve a slightly desaturated yet rich look, set color tone to 1. This subtle adjustment will help your colors feel grounded, perfect for that timeless street vibe. Finally, let's fine-tune saturation. We'll set saturation to 0. This means we're relying on the scene's natural colors and the contrast we've added to make the image pop, rather than oversaturating it. Once you've dialed in those settings, make sure to save your new picture style. You can name it something like Street Great or Urban Classic for easy identification. Now, every shot you take will have that distinct, in-camera street photography look, saving you editing time and allowing you to focus purely on capturing those fleeting moments. Experiment with these settings, adapt them to your personal interpretation of street photography, and elevate your creative vision. Happy shooting!